Might as well put this crap away.
Nerd.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? If that thing doesn't read, I'm gonna be pissed. What the hell?
And that's like the third time it's been opening and closing.
Let me see. I'll sign out, sign in.
Your 360 is turned into a zombie.
If that doesn't work, I'll turn off and turn on. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Alright, I guess we restart. And here you go, the gay load-up screen. What the heck? You know, like the blue LEDs. LEDs, I mumbled. The gay startup screen. The Queer 360.
Then why do you bother using this console?
Because it's better than PS3.
And you bitch about your 360 a lot?
Hey, just the dashboard. Now that Black Ops is out, I don't care. Once I play it. Oh my god, you better read. Oh my god, are you kidding me? There's like some... What the hell?
It's a fake disc.
I'd be pissed. Like, my Xbox doesn't read it. Are you kidding me? It's not reading any disc. Here, I'm gonna sign out, see if it's the case.
You're screwed.
Dude, I was using this earlier.
You're screwed.
You're a Jew.
Everybody wants to watch the baby now.
Where's Canadian
Look at this, it's
scenario?
creepy. Red ring.
No, I turned it off first.
You're doomed.
If this doesn't work, the disk drive has problems. And fortunately happens when Black Ops comes out.
All hope for you is lost.
Yes! What?
Damn it. Asshole. Alright,
Yes.
let's see the new maps though, or whatever it is.
Oh, that's cool. Damn, can you turn off the lights, please? Thank you. Alright, sweet. I feel like I'm watching a movie.
Ascension 7 15 1 2 19 7 25 6 13 6 7 15 14 0.
Those are fake nails. I don't know. Well, what's that about, honestly,
I guess she wanted a close up on her pores. That was too freaking detailed, that was disgusting.
I know it was.
You see craters all over her face. Ugh,
You're very nice.
horrible.
You're too kind for now.
The makers of Black Ops, you guys are assholes for putting that out. Fucking nasty. I don't need to see an old woman's freaking pores, damn it.
Thank you for the comment.
Feel sick to my gut. Already threw up earlier.
Yeah, exactly. I do not need to watch that again. Come on, skip it, skip it, skip it. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
360's been
Yes.
hacked. Classic zombie pack. Really?
I like my brightness high. Good for zombies. It's important for you guys who love zombies out there. Always set your what's it called up to high. The brightness. Sorry. Okay. Yes, I love graphic content. Ew. Wait. Let's see. Is it still downloading? Pending. Are you kidding me? What is this, honestly? That's pretty gay. Whatever. Oh, Travis, you liar. You said the Pentagon was the first one, not Kino during Titan. But looks like there's gonna be 3 maps. That's cool that you don't have to play a freaking campaign, but alright.
Entry 71210, don't run! Off the station, but it was the key to the real goals of Group 935. I still do not trust my unconventional allies, but they are all great news to me. But I digress. Who would have thought the enemy team was capable of time travel? How many stations does this group have? Then the little girl isn't there too. Only time will tell what new questions await us in this theater of the dark.
I remember this map.
No.
Power, just like home.
Okay, first of all, vibration, aim assist, no thank you. Stick layout, default. Tactical, that's what's up. Throw lethal switch. Alright, okay, good. Just the same. Look sensitivity. Buddy. You want 8. Safe area. Oh, okay. Brightness. Alright, we're good to go. That's brightness all the way up. That's kind of creepy. Okay. Alright, you guys, this out there is going to be the first video of jitter mod or rapid fire right now. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give him a couple. You know what? The sensitivity feels weird. I'm gonna put a 1 down. Ooh, we got Olympia, only for 500. Alright, where is that window at?
See, you're dead now, but you were dead before. Fuck you.
Alright, let's see how many they can really take.
You know how to
Okay,
say
that dude
owned
took
in
like
action.
7 shots.
Owned.
Now, he was a tough cookie. Are you kidding me? 500 for this? This used to be 1500. Well, whatever.